Hello, this is Brittany here down at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to showcase the all-new 2023 Legacy in the Sport Edition. So some of the key features is, of course, your eyesight driver assist system. This one does get up to 26 miles per gallon combined. It has the 2.4 liter engine with the 260 horsepower. This one, since it is the Sport, does come with the 18-inch alloy wheels with the gray finish. So let's get inside to go over some more details. All right, so now we're inside the Sport Legacy. So it does come with the all-new 11.6-inch multimedia screen with the navigation. We have the driver focus as well. We have the heated steering wheel for those cold mornings, and then also the power moonroof. On the inside of the Legacy, it does come with the black Sport interior with the red accent stitching. Now let's go to the back. Okay, so now we're at the back side of the Legacy Sport. As you can see, it does have the badging showing that it is the Sport. Has the magnetite gray trunk spoiler and also comes with the stainless steel dual tailpipes. Okay, so those are going to be some of the key features on the all-new 2023 Legacy Sport. If you have any questions at all, feel free to visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruofPuyallup.com.